back on. We're almost to the motorcycle museum. Dad and Brett are following up behind me. We're going to be there, and the museum's just 2 miles down the road. So, we got a good phone signal here. Dad's happy about that. Going to get caught up on some phone calls. Hopefully he has phone signal here. Dad, did you check it? Do you have signal? Must have lost comms. Yeah. Check that. Dad's running AT&T and Brent and I are on Verizon. A lot of museums around here whenever I pulled it up on the GPS. Stonebridge RV Resort. Half a mile. Alright, Dad, I'm going to laugh so hard if this motorcycle museum is like the dentist museum. Should be right here on the right. Right here somewhere, according to GPS. There it is, Motorcycle Museum. Open today. I guess I just missed the driveway. Wood bridge looks kind of slippery. Why would they have a gravel parking lot for motorcyclists? Look at that. It's an FJR, Dad. It's a blue FJR. Look at those little wings he's got. Pretty cool. Another Farkle you need to get, Dad. That FJR, he's got a little wind, like diverter or something, wing.